Hi everybody, welcome to my show. It's Creative Sarah. We're going to enjoy the little things on this most adorable jar cutout. So I am sanding this and I am doing some extra sanding at the joint of where the lid for the ball jar will go. Okay, just a little extra. You'll see it in the end. Check that out. So now I'm going to wax the front, and just to get that nice protection on there to protect the wood and protect your transfer. And then we're done with that. I'm going to pull the little transfer. Enjoy the little things. Now this is so cute. It has these most adorable little fireflies or lightning bugs, whatever you call them. I am going to fuzz it and just lay it kind of out on the ball jar. And I'm going to use gold and cadet. You guys, this is really cute. So we're going to go ahead and do the cadet, and it looks very like navy bluish. In fact, when I was done with this, I thought, not just is this a really awesome summer project, but it totally will fit into your patriotic stuff too. And it's not so blatantly patriotic. But here we go. Get the gold on there, the fireflies and the cute little sparkles that are all around the transfer. And when I peel this and show you, I'm telling you, you're going to ooh and ah. I absolutely love it. Ooh, if you are new, go ahead and comment VIP. And if you would like to try it out, go ahead and comment sample. Did you see how cute that was? You can comment that right in the comments and I will send you a message right there on Facebook Messenger. Okay. We're going to dry all of the chalk that's on here, and then we'll do a little embellishing because we definitely need to have some embellishment. Looks good. We're going to grab the jute, and then I have this really cute navy and white striped baker's twine that is going to look super great with this as well. We'll get it all measured out and trimmed out there. I took, I think, 4 pieces, tied it in there, and it's so cute. Wait till you see the finished product. I know you're going to love it. Again, if you're new, comment VIP. I'll send you a message. And if you're looking to try it out, go ahead and comment sample. Always, you can check out CreativeSarah.com for more information. Oh, I love it.